Hi there and thanks for joining me. So today I want to share a video with you of a market wizard who predicted all indexes would be negative in 2022 shares a shocking new forecast. Because in this video he's going to reveal how to make all the money you need in any market using a single stock. And what he's going to do in the interview that he's done is he's going to give you the ticker that you can trade time and time again to make all the money you need in any market, whether the market's rising or falling. So yeah, if you want to watch this video, I'm going to link to this page in the description. All you need to do is click on the image or click on the button and you'll be taken straight to the interview. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you a little bit of insights in this so you understand what I'm going about. So the market wizard I'm on about, someone called Larry Benedict, and he is one of the world's leading options traders. Now, basically, if you don't know what options trading in, it's a trading strategy where you can sort of leverage stocks and make a profit whether the market rises, falls, or goes sideways. And that's one of the beautiful things about options trading. And Larry Benedict uses very, very simple strategies to trade one single stock at a time using options. Now, there's an art and science behind all of this, but he's going to reveal the ticker that he's going to trade in this interview. It's a great video. You're going to learn a lot. And if options trading, and if you want to keep your trading strategy simple, this video is for you. Great video. Now, if you want to skip the video and just learn more about Larry Benedict's one ticker retirement plan and just go all in with options trading, Larry has actually got a program called the Opportunistic Trader, and this is actually called the One Ticker Trader, and it's a financial advisory service that focuses on options trading. Now, basically, Larry shares his silly, simple strategy of how you can get going with options trading, and he reveals his one ticker retirement plan where he just trades one ticker over and over again using certain signals, and he can make a profit whether the market rises, falls, or goes sideways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you around the One Ticker Trader members area, just show you what you get. So very simple products, but will get you going with options fast. You get the issues and updates where you get alerted to any buy or sell alerts, and also you get a monthly newsletter. You get the special reports, which is the meat and potato of this program, where you get an in-depth guide of how to start with options, what options are, how you can get started, opening your brokering account and placing your first options, and all the strategies Larry uses to trade options. But his specific strategy that he shares is the one ticker retirement plan, where he just trades one ticker very simply using a very simple option strategy to make profits time and time again using options trading. And the last thing is a portfolio, which lists all of the trades and stocks that Larry and his team are currently trading using options. Now, I've been a member now of this program for a month. I really enjoy it. Haven't placed an options trade yet, but I'm going to be soon. I've just been learning how to trade options. Now, I'm not an options expert at all. I'm more into crypto, but I got into options because the market's so volatile, and options allow you to win whether the market rises or falls. So it really interests me. I wanted to bring options trading into my trading sort of strategy and portfolio. So I can give this program a massive thumbs up. I really enjoy it. Normally this program or financial advisory service would retail for $199 for a year, but today you can get going for just $19. So if you want to join One Ticker Trader and get Larry's, issues and updates of buy and sell alerts, his special reports, so you can get going with options trading, I'll leave a link in the description down below Larry's video. So you can either watch the video where Larry gives the ticker away, or if you want to go all in, you can join One Ticker Trader here, and I'll leave a link to this down below. If you like today's video, why not like it? Because it helps people, helps the video reach more people. But I really hope that the video you found is useful and informative, and I will speak with you soon.